On October 12, 2022, the newest laptops designed by Microsoft were introduced to the world. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into just one of those devices, the Surface Pro 9 with 5G. So strap in, prepare to stay connected everywhere, thanks to the newest member of the Surface Pro family. Roll those titles! Hello everyone out there on YouTube, my name's Hannah and I am part of the Expert Zone UK and I team working with Microsoft. Today I'm going to be going through a more detailed overview of some of the amazing features of the Surface Pro 9 with 5G. If you just want to take a look at what comes in the box, then why not check out our unboxing video linked in the description below. It's also important to note that we're just going to be focusing on the variation of the Pro 9 with 5G and not the version without, as that will have its own separate video. Now, I've always been told it's what's on the inside that counts, so let's start off with the specifications of this device. You can get this device with either 8GB or 16GB of RAM and choose from either a 128GB, 256GB or 512GB of removable SSD storage. The Surface Pro 9 with 5G comes with a unique processor, the Microsoft SQ3. This is a Microsoft designed and built in partnership with Qualcomm ARM-based processor, which is very similar to that used in the Surface Pro X. The ARM processor also includes an NPU, or Neural Processing Unit. This makes it a great option for 5G connectivity, as the NPU can optimize using the data network as well as extend the battery life of the device, thanks to not needing to perform multiple types of tasks at once. It also brings with it some pretty cool AI features, but we'll dive into those later in this video. Having the ability to have 5G capability means this is great for anybody who wants to ensure they have a secure connection wherever they might be. This device really is designed as well to follow you around and fit perfectly into your lifestyle, thanks to the 2-in-1 flexibility. This lightweight laptop weighs only 878 grams, so it's not going to weigh you down while you carry it around. And as mentioned briefly earlier, it also has an extended battery life thanks to the NPU. On average, it has almost 4 hours more battery life than the Surface Pro 9 without 5G, which means you need to take fewer stops to find a charger while you're on the move. It does, however, mean that you can't use the "my battery died" excuse as often to get out of that thing that you definitely need to do. It's hard to deny that this device also looks super sleek and stylish thanks to the platinum aluminium finish. It has an inbuilt kickstand too, which means you have the ability to work on this device at the angle that suits your needs. Everything on screen also looks incredible thanks to the 13-inch PixelSense Flow display with a dynamic refresh rate of up to 120Hz. It still retains some core Surface features, such as a 3:2 aspect ratio, meaning you have more screen real estate to play with, and a 10-point multi-touch screen so you can point, drag and draw using your finger or pen. Not only do things look great on the screen, but now you can look even better on your video calls, thanks to the intuitive AI webcam features. From work to connecting with friends and family, video calls have become one of the essential tasks that defines the PC. With new Windows Studio Camera and audio effects, you can now even have more features to enhance your video experience. Make sure to keep the focus on you with portrait blur backgrounds. Turn on voice focus to turn down the background noise. Use automatic framing so you're always in frame. And stay connected with eye contact even when you're not looking at the camera. All these features rolled out with the 22H2 Windows update, so you may recognise them from the previous video we did on it. If not, make sure you check it out. So that's everything with the Surface Pro 9 with 5G that we're going to talk about today. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're not subscribed already, then make sure you hit that subscribe and check out some more amazing Microsoft related content. That's all from me though today, so I'll see you all real soon. Bye!